Residential Sales Comparison and Income Approaches, page 19. Comparable data on grids. Market conditions are sometimes organized on charts or tables to best observe trends. In the final reconciliation for the sales comparison approach, one of the methods of analysis that could be employed is a ranking analysis. For a ranking analysis, the data would be organized, usually in a declining fashion from most comparable to the least comparable, based on a number of factors. The appraiser may have several tables, graphs, or grids for a single assignment. Similar methods may be employed for the income approach. Several examples will be illustrated later in this text. Data analysis. Data analysis should not be thought of as a single process in a particular assignment. In actuality, once data is collected, every step of the appraisal process from here forth through reconciliation consists of a series of individual analysis that includes market analysis, highest and best use analysis, application of the approaches of value, reconciliation. Just as a reminder, information that the appraiser obtains during the course of collecting and analyzing data could call for further analysis, which might cause the appraiser's scope of work in the assignment to change. Market analysis. Standards Rule 1-3A of USPAP tells us that when necessary for credible assignment results in developing a market value opinion, an appraiser must identify and analyze the effect on use and value of existing land use regulations, reasonably probable modifications of such land use regulations, economic supply and demand, the physical adaptability of real estate, and market area trends. The term market analysis might seem to imply that the process consists primarily of the analysis of economic and market conditions for the subject market, which is partially true. However, market analysis is much broader and includes consideration of national and regional conditions, as well as specific data regarding the subject site and improvements. The elements considered in a market analysis, depending on the scope of work, could include, but are not limited to, national trends, regional trends, data organization refers to how the appraiser arranges his collected data to aid in his eventual analysis, often in grids, tables, or charts. Extra note: realtytrack.com, very good website, feeds from National Association of Realtors. VA are snack cakes for real estate investors. Page 20. Economic base, local area and neighborhood, site and improvements. The comment to USPAP Standards Rule 1-3A continues to advise an appraiser must avoid making an unsupported assumption or premise about market area trends, effective age, and remaining life. Highest and best use analysis. According to Standard Rule 1-3b, an opinion of highest and best use must be developed when it is necessary for credible assignment results. In an assignment where the type of value is market value, the subsequent USPAP comment to this portion of the standards rule further expresses that the appraiser must analyze the relevant legal, physical, and economic factors to the extent necessary to support the appraiser's conclusions about highest and best use. Here the appraiser is forming opinions relating to the subject property in the context of the characteristics of value, demand, utility, supply, and transferability, or DUST, the acronym. Highest and best use particularly addresses the value of the land, and if improved, the improvement's contribution to value. The process of highest and best use analysis consists of 3 steps. Number 1, determine the highest bit me, son of a bitch.